Earn money for free with websites. We're glad to see you on our YouTube channel. Here we have a bunch of series of best online earning sources, reliable all the time. You can be able to find the best online earning source according to your taste by watching our list, and this will surely reduce your efforts of searching for the best place to cache your content. Actual theme. Here we have the proper series for you to find out the better earning methods by simply doing the efforts on the digital platforms. Most people are unaware of the fact that you can be able to generate revenue by digital means. Here we have a proper guide for you that how can you make money from digital methods by doing different tasks on different websites. Here we have a list of those platforms that enable you to generate money by digital means or methods. On number 8, we have a PanelLab. This is such a legitimate platform that enables you to earn money by completing surveys according to your activities, and you will get points in this regard. You can earn the points by visiting the famous places in your areas, and then you refer your nears and dears to that place. In this way, you'll get the points on PanelLab. PanelLab will pay you according to your points. This platform provides you with various options of payment withdrawal. If you're serious about earning, then by doing the simple surveys about the activities of your choice, you can earn a suitable amount here. By making points, you'll get money on PayPal, which provides you with various ways to withdraw. On number 7, we have Cashpirate. On Cashpirate, you are supposed to install various applications on your device, and you will coin in this regard. Later on, you can be able to convert these coins into US dollars via PayPal, and you can withdraw from it through your personal account. You can also get mobile credit, FB gift cards. You'll get an option for the videos to earn a few coins. This is such a legitimate method for earning. We have collected the reviews of many people that are associated with this platform. They show a very positive response for it. That is the symbol of its originality. You can earn money by simply doing small-scale installations and apps running on your system. On number 6, we have Instagc. This is such a legitimate platform for earning. You'll be able to get points by taking surveys and completing the tasks assigned by the different client by watching the video ads. Here you'll get 1 point, which is equal to the 1 cent, in that it means by making the 100 points, you'll be able to make $1. This is such an amazing way for you if you're a beginner and want to earn through digital platforms. They have claimed that some of their employees are making 500 to 2,000 points daily, which means they're making $5 to $20 daily. This is such a suitable amount for the beginner. You'll get gift cards, referral bounces, and bounces that surely enhance your points and amount too. On number 5, we have Sly Joy. This is also a legitimate platform for earning because we have seen the screenshots of many people that are paid through the app. Here, the money-making technique is simple. You'd sign up for free. After that, you just lock your phone, and when you're swiping for it, unlocking, you'll see ads from different companies. You're just supposed to see those ads, and you'll get points in return for it. Here, 1,000 points are equal to $1. This means you can earn $1 by making 1,000 points. They claim that you can earn almost $10 per month easily. You can redeem your accumulated amount into the PayPal account of every 15 days. On number 4, we have Taluna. This is also a legitimate platform for digital earning. Here you're supposed to make surveys, and in the reward you'll get the points, and that points are the pillar of your income through this platform. You'll get gift cards and other bounces here for suitable income from here. You can be able to make a suitable amount from this platform with little efforts, and you'll get points in the reward, and you'll get paid according to your points. This is such an amazing app for making the money via digital means. On number 3, we have Cashpirate. This is such a legitimate way of digital earning. You'll get paid by making surveys, and by referral, you can also earn via the app. You can easily earn almost $1 to $45 per week. It's totally up to you that you can earn money according to your time and efforts that you invest here. You can earn $3 to $5 per referral, and in this way, your amount rises and the opportunities of earning also increase in this way. This is a 100% safe and sound method for those who are in doubt about it. On number 2, we have Viggle. This platform enables you to participate in commercials, TV shows, or programs, and playing games to earn money on this app. By participating in these events, you can be able to earn points that define your earnings in this app. You will get the reward of your points, and you will get paid for your efforts. This app is associated with the Perk app, and their connection is responsible for the earning of users. You're supposed to have a connection and association with both apps in order to redeem your amount into the account. Finally, we move on to number 1. We have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards and loyalty program located in El Segundo, California. Protege LLC runs that. A penny's worth 1 Swagbuck. You'll generally swap 100 Swagbucks for $1 in gift cards or cash, or a $25 PayPal deposit for 2,500 Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a real organization. About $400 million have been paid out to members. Swagbucks has helped some users win close to $12,000. Swagbucks is also a safe way for adolescents to raise some extra cash. This information will serve as a guide for you if you're looking for online earning sources. After that information, you'll surely be able to select the right platform for you, which is according to your taste, and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Now you can be able to get the best choice for you, which can be most suitable to you, and this is surely such a plus point for you over those who are totally blind to this awareness. As per our information, you've got our desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share, and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. In this way, you will stay and connect with us.